Hello project managers. If you are aiming to reduce waste, improve efficiency, and boost productivity of your team, then this video is for you. Let's talk about continuous improvement. Today, we are diving into the top continuous improvement tools every project leader must know and the real world statistics that prove their impact. Let's get started. Continuous improvement in the context of project management refers to an ongoing effort to enhance project process, outcomes, and team performance by learning from experience. It helps you reduce waste, boost productivity, improve quality, enhance team morale, and drive stakeholder satisfaction. These are techniques we would be covering in this video. First in the list is PDCA. Now, PDCA is a four-step model for iterative problem solving. It stands for plan, do, check, and act. Start by identifying needs and setting objectives. You execute your plan, review outcomes, and act on the learnings to continuously improve. Now, what do the numbers say? According to Kaizen Institute, organizations that adopted PDCA saw 30% faster cycle time and 25% better quality scores within a year. It's a favorite in Lean, Agile, and Six Sigma environments. Here is how simple it is. In the plan stage, you would plan your work, establish objectives, processes, and desired results. In the do stage, you will simply follow the plan. In the check stage, you will compare the plan versus actual, and in the act stage, if you find any deviations, you will fix the root cause of the deviations so that it does not happen again. Now, you would repeat this time and again until you have an optimized solution. Next in the list is value stream mapping. Now, value stream mapping is a lean technique which helps visualize and optimize the flow from input to customer delivery. It highlights bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and opportunities for leaner operations. A Lean Enterprise Institute study found that using value stream mapping led to a 20 to 40% reduction in waste and significant productivity gains in over 70% of implementations. Now, how does this work? The core part of this technique is to identify the value stream. A value stream is the workflow a requirement has to undergo to be realized as a value by the customer. Now, in this example, this is the workflow or the value stream. So the requirement or the request comes at this end, and from the other end is delivered the value for the customer. In between, the requirement has to undergo these stages: initialization, couple of tasks, and completion. Now, if you observe here, we have actual work being done in the tasks or activities, and then we have these red colored waiting times. Now, waiting times are considered to be a waste. In lean techniques, it is one of the 7 wastes. Now, your job as a project manager or project leader would be to minimize, or if possible, eliminate these waiting times, and thereby improving the overall turnaround time and overall efficiency of your workflow. Next in the list is retrospectives. Now, a retrospective is a structured reflection meeting held at the end of a project, phase, or sprint. The goal is to identify what went well, what did not go well, and how to improve. Now, this is very common in Agile sprints, but it is valuable for all project types. Now, the numbers don't lie. According to the State of Agile report, teams that consistently run retrospectives improve delivery speed by 23%, reduce recurring issues by 31%, and report a 42% boost in team satisfaction. In one case study from Atlassian, simply adding regular retrospectives helped their Jira team cut bug rates in half over 3 months. It's not just about fixing problems, it's about growing as a team. Now, how does it work? You need to time box the session, usually 60 to 90 minutes. Use a framework like start, stop, continue, 4Ls, and mad, sad, glad. This helps you foster psychological safety and turn insights into actionable items. The important thing here is that retrospective has to be done continuously and regularly. A good retrospective is focused, inclusive, and results in clear outcomes. Now, you can start with an icebreaker to loosen up the team, and most importantly, make sure everyone feels safe to speak openly, and always leave with a short list of actions to try next sprint. Next in the list is lessons learned register. Now, lessons learned register came from waterfall methodology, a document that captures knowledge gained during a project. Think of it as a blueprint for not repeating the same mistakes or better at replicating your wins. This is the equivalent of retrospective in the waterfall world. This is a formal document capturing knowledge gained from the project, covers successes, challenges, risks, solutions, and process improvements, and created through the project, not just at the end, and becomes part of organizational process asset. Now, what do the numbers say? According to the Project Management Institute, only 39% of the organizations always or often captured lessons learned, but those that have done that had a 25% higher success rate in future projects, and 32% of their issues were not repeated. Now, how does this work? Capture continuously, not just during closure. This is the mistake a lot of project managers do. They tend to capture the learnings by the end of the project, and it is not guaranteed that they remember everything. Use categories like scope, schedule, cost, communication, risk, quality, etc. Be honest, not political. Focus on learning and not blaming. Share across the organization. The importance of learning is to be shared across the teams. According to PMI's Pulse of Profession report, organizations with strong continuous improvement cultures are 40% more likely to meet project goals. Agile and lean methods, which embed continuous improvement at their core, are now used in over 70% of high performing project environments. If you are interested in our PMP project management course, you can click the link in the description or call or WhatsApp us. And if this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, or share it for more content on project management. See you in the next video.